Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey Israel, we've been gone far too long. It's time we come together. You know we're going back home, yeah. Because the Most High said to Ezekiel, son of man, I'ma send you to the children of Israel, oh yeah, to a rebellious nation. And I will bring them into the wilderness of the people, and there will I plead with you face to face, yeah. And it's at this place that we gotta get it right if we wanna find life. And I will cause you to pass under the rod, and I will bring you into the bond of the covenant. You know this is where 2/3 will not make it, and plenty will try to fake it. But it's the promise and he won't shake it, no, no. Cause it's his word and his new covenant, oh yeah, my, the Most High. Dust in the sandals, smoking a camp. We build our own idols, then call it a lamp. Pouring roofs over our heads, but our hearts stayed hard as stone. Chasing comfort, chasing credit, calling exile home. And I will purge the rebels, thunder in the sky, hearts tremble. I will bring them out, he says, but they won't step on promised land. You can wander in the borderlands, wander in the borderlands, till you learn that borrowed ground ain't the place you stand. Yeah. We crossed that line so casual, treating mercy like it's cheap. Signed our names on every contract, then forgot the vow we keep. Heard the warning in the evening, laughed it all before the dawn. Now the gate stands right before us, still we're locked outside the song. Who is the rebel in the mirror? Who is the wanderer inside? Is this the country of my choosing, or the desert where I hide? They shall not enter, echoes in the veins like fire. Every comfort feels like exile, till obedience lifts us higher. The rebels under in us, hearts tremble. I will bring them out, he said, but they won't step on promised land.